Probably you clicked on this video because you've done exactly the same thing as I did. I did, and you broke DJI O4 Pro units antennas, and now you are in the situation to what to do, either to get the same original ones or maybe to go with aftermarket antennas. So these are SMA Foxeer antennas. So as mine broke, I got the cable from the air unit to mount, and then you just screw antennas on, and they look so cool. I mean, they look cool. I love them. Anyway, all this video is just to test how they are working and how is the signal, because I didn't fly with it now, and we'll see, is it actually worth it to upgrade to aftermarket antennas. Okay, I ordered as well the stubs, or whatsoever you call the tiny ones, which you just screw on top. Those I ordered, but they are coming, and as I didn't want to wait for another 2 weeks for antennas to arrive, so I just plugged in these ones, and they look so cool. I mean, nice. And especially on DeepSpace Seeker 5 X-frame. So let's see, let's plug it in, let's see the video signal strength and everything. So woohoo, aftermarket antennas, Foxeer Lollipop 4 Plus. There is a small plus. I don't know what the plus means, but anyway, so just a step back a little bit. So if you want to do so, you need SMA antennas and SMA cable pigtail, which will go from UFL to SMA, and then antennas will go inside. In case if you want to see how to attach them and how to make them work on a drone, then leave down in the comments and I will make separate video how to actually attach it and how to open air for unit and all those things. Anyway, I will do it. But this is about just testing them out. And I as well broke, I don't know if you can see the Express LRS antenna, so that is next one which I need to change. Anyway, let's get it up in the air and see how is the video quality and are they actually good. I mean, because this is first time. I have some friends which is as well flying with aftermarket antennas, and they are telling that there is no issue or whatsoever. I have one spare. I think I shouldn't have one spare from Seeker 3, but I decided to put on this one because with one I have two, but the second one I lost it, so I think like this, it's very nice. Switch warning, yeah. And plus, I got some, these flies, plus I got some upgraded stick ends for my Boxer. So, been flying with it a little bit with the tiny whoop. Oh my God, I was having so much fun with the tiny whoop. Anyway, that is a separate video. Let's wait for some satellites. Something wrong with the satellite, it's showing the altitude 130 meters anyway. So 60 megabits, yeah. Okay, till now it's holding okay, 60 megabits a second. Seems okay. Let's go a little bit behind, because usually the signal was a little bit weak on this side behind me. Oh my God, it's still staying 60 megabits a second. Okay, it's dropping a little bit, 50. But still, I mean, considering that I'm facing completely opposite side, I'm just worried that so it will not end up so that it's not ending up so that I'm just flying and one moment it's just bam, switch off and everything. So no, but the video quality and the connection is amazing. I mean, I like it. And I wasn't sure if let's go a little bit behind the building. Okay, behind the building it's still 60. Seems okay. So oops. And I crashed. Let's go to see where. I hope that I didn't break the antennas. Oh my God, that will be so bad. That will be so bad if I will start with the first one and broke already antennas. So let's unplug it.
Telemetry lost.
Antennas seems okay. Completely fine. So drone, and my strap went off. A little bit bent the props, and just I put a new ones, and I thought that maybe it will be a little bit better. But anyway, so first crash, a little bit bent them, but they are quite strong inside. I mean, don't have any issue with them at the moment. I don't know how I managed to crash like that. So anyway, so we'll continue flying. Props, they are more or less okay, I think. Yep, they are okay. So antennas, I'm not sure, because they are sort of very loosely turning, but I assume that is nothing bad. So let's continue. Let's put back the straps. We'll leave one strap and we'll go from there. Anyway, so let's plug in. Everything seems okay. The camera seems okay. Okay, the drone is making some noise because the props is not completely okay. So, but as a signal, I like it. I mean, signal strength is holding amazing. Because I remember when with the stock antennas I was going a little bit behind here. With these ones it's still dropping a little bit. I mean, you see it 59, 51, 52, 60 again. So quite satisfied with antennas. Okay, I'm not sponsored on anything with these antennas, so it's somehow strangely turning. Yeah, definitely worth it. So if you suddenly do the stupidity like I did, then you can easily change the stock antennas to aftermarket antennas, but exactly make sure that they are SMA LHCP, not RHCP. There is two of them. So, but make sure that exactly it's SMA and LHRC antennas. Let's go a little bit further. Let's see. When here the signal is starting 51, 42. Yeah, but exactly, I'm completely opposite side facing. So yeah, here I am. Let's fly a little bit more. Why I went back? I think my angle pitch was way too high, so let's try one more time. That's more or less. Opa, that was a little bit too low. And regarding the sticks, I'm not sure about the sticks, but I think I like them. Yeah, of course, I need to get used to them a little bit, but I don't know why actual 04 is not recording. Fuck. Okay, I'm recording at least the goggles, so at least I will have some footage. That would be stupid. I mean, you do the video and everything, and then you are just like, yeah, okay, I mean, have a nice day, and then it's like, fuck, you don't have anything. A little bit too high, but not behind, so I'm still learning the proper power loop or whatsoever, so don't judge me. If someone have some suggestions. Oh, nah, I needed to go straight, but chickened out. I mean, anyway, so someone is writing me something, so let them wait. I have 3.6. Again not too high, but I can't go. I don't know, I think my pitch maybe is not enough. That was pitch a little bit too much, I think. So anyway, that is this video is not about the power loop. It's about the actual antennas and oh my, well, fuck, I forgot about fuck, 3.0, oh my god, telemetry lost. Okay, here you go, guys. If you are planning to upgrade antennas, then Foxeer antennas is one good choice. If you have some other questions, leave down below in the comments. Until the next time, bye.